Welcome to www.rcaccountants.com. RC Financial Group is comprised of an exquisite team of qualified professionals determined towards handling all your financial needs. Our team is comprised of chartered accountants, investment advisors, and business consultants. Accounting, bookkeeping, taxation. As professional accountants, RC Financial Group's staff understands what it takes to compete in today's competitive environment. With rising competition and technology advancements, the world has become fast and demanding. Corporations need to be quick, efficient while maintaining a lean structure to sustain themselves and be profitable. It is becoming evident that individuals and businesses with a long-term vision for financial success needs a professional accountant who can better guide them towards financial success while minimizing their costs and maximizing their true earning potential. Mr. Zahab Haroon is a licensed chartered professional accountant certified management accountant CPA, CMA. His expertise are in the field of Canadian and United States taxation, tax planning, tax strategy, international tax, cross-border tax, financial statement preparation and business consulting. Mr. Haroon also specializes in helping his client restructuring their finances from an accounting standpoint to gain the maximum tax benefits. He maintains a proactive approach as opposed to a retroactive old-school approach of other accountants. RC Financial Group and the team. The team at RC Financial Group is comprised of bright forward-thinking individuals who are keen towards working closely with our clientele on a regular day-to-day basis. We at RC Financial Group understand the importance of being engaged and promptly answering their questions or concerns to help maintain a solid relationship with our clients. We look at ourselves as a B2B business that manages full portfolio for our clients. What do we mean by full portfolio management? We strongly think that a positive client relationship starts with a well-thought-of corporate structure and strategy. The execution of that strategy plays a key component towards a healthy business growth model. What services do we provide to our clients? At RC Financial Group we provide full accounting services from bookkeeping, financial statement preparation, corporate taxation, personal taxation, tax strategy, Canada Revenue Agency tax audit representation, payroll, HST returns, review of engagement, U.S. tax returns for personal, self-employed or for corporations. We also provide business consulting services in the form of financial analysis, business plans and projections, financial feasibility reports, cost analysis, performance measurement and risk analysis. Accounting. RC Financial Group accountants in Toronto, Greater Toronto Area and in Los Angeles specialize in audits, bookkeeping, business registration, financial statement preparation, payroll, and review of engagement. This is the accounting firm where you can find all the accounting services you need. RC Financial Group's accounting services department is comprised of licensed chartered accountants, chartered professional accountants and certified management accountants who are committed to helping their clients achieve their financial goals. Our accounting framework consists of a business's complete accounting needs. Our services help our clients maximize their earning and limit expenses. We do this through extensive financial planning so we can create a better financial future for our clientele. Benefits: increased productivity, reduced monthly expenses, improved accuracy. Accounting is definitely an element of conducting a company which can't be omitted. After books of accounts have been updated and balanced regularly, a company operator can concentrate more about finding clients. Whenever you're attempting to find bookkeeping solutions, you must represent on lots of facets. RC Financial Group accounting services firm offers auditing. To begin with, don't just start looking for an accountant that are able to balance your own books. as an alternative hunt for anyone that are able to upgrade your novels fast and accurately. Errors can't be permitted with respect to bookkeeping. That is indeed because you might easily get in some trouble with law. Therefore, where are you able to find true and quick accountants? Now accounting providers are increasingly being given online. Locating a high-value company that simplifies each of the key segments of consideration is quite easy today. Numerous accountancy firms have enormous e-commerce internet sites too that display the selection of tasks they give. With what our accounting services help you with. Comparisons, control, ease of auditing, flexibility. Some providers of bookkeeping agencies are so big they might be hired all through your night and day. They also give you a guarantee your company can conduct without causing one trade. Usually, large outsourced bookkeeping businesses have bookkeepers too. Therefore they may be hired for both the accounting and accounting job. What's also great about these is that the simplicity of arranging their solutions. Most bookkeeping services are supplied by businesses that know the value of IT. They've a clean form where you should fill details. The moment you form accounts, you'll be permitted to pick the service you would like and order it. Before placing an arrangement, you ought to make certain you comprehend the agency features. That is indeed because you aren't going to find an opportunity to modify anything after placing your purchase. One other essential detail concerns the values of accounting services that are different. You will find unscrupulous businesses which are simply interested in earning money out of you personally. They can provide you quite high rates or very economical rates. You ought to decide on a very affordable budget range whilst emphasizing the grade of ceremony. Cannot opt for a supplier that'll disappoint you in the long run. Few perks you will enjoy with our services. Achieving high level of accuracy, cost-effective services, fraud check, direct deposit through efficient payroll processing. That is the reason you ought to read bookkeeping services reviews. After reading them you may know which businesses are reliable and those aren't. Asking the consumer support representative to provide proof their organization's accountants is likewise crucial. Based upon the provider's policy, they could opt to show the competency levels of those accountants who will be delegated your own task. Some establishments are extremely large and have countless of professionals. It'd therefore sound absurd to request each accountant's certificates. Recognizing an organization has several years of experience needs to really be sufficient. Additional benefits of selecting the professional services comprise lower expenses on office equipment and equipment. Besides becoming timely, trustworthy and true financial services, choosing the accountancy pros frees up valuable time and costs to those organizations. Feel free to contact us with all and any of your accounting needs. 855 910-7234. Taxation. RC Financial's tax accountants offer tax services and tax preparation to any clients in Toronto and the Greater Toronto Area. Taxation in Canada is a shared responsibility between the federal government and the various provincial and territorial legislatures. Taxes are enforced by law and the Canada Revenue Agency (CRA) is the main governing body that oversees taxation in Canada. More services we offer related to other complex corporate and business tax issues, other capital gains, effective utilization of tax losses, real estate and estate planning. When interviewing or searching for accountants, find out if they generally carry out tasks such as preparing tax returns, if this is what you need them to do. Certain accountants may specialize, for example, in estate planning or financial forecasting, and although they may have great qualifications, they are more likely to make mistakes than a lesser qualified accountant who has prepared hundreds of tax returns. There are walk-in tax preparation companies that offer very low rates for preparing your tax return. For example, When it comes to your annual tax return, it may be prepared by someone else, but ultimately it is you who is legally liable for any mistakes in it. The tax accountant may also charge extra for things such as phone calls, so ensure that you are fully aware of exactly what you will be paying to avoid unpleasant surprises further down the line. When choosing a tax accountant, be picky as you need to ensure good service. Ask around and find the best rate, but do not choose the wrong person simply because they are cheap. A good tax accountant will cost more, but your tax return will receive more of their focus and attention. Using a cheap tax return service now only to receive a large fine later on will not save you money. Once you have decided on the type of tax accountant that you need, you still have to find him or her. If you know a friend who has used an accountant in the past, ask for recommendations. Do an online check for their name or the name of the company they work for if they are not freelance. Immediately disregard anyone for whom you are able to find complaints. We at RC Financial Group provide taxation services for personal income tax, capital gains, reducing personal tax by investing in RRSP or TFSA, corporate tax, international taxation, payroll taxes, federal employment insurance and Canada Pension Plan, Ontario employer health tax, sales tax, excise tax, property tax, annual tax, sale tax. It is important that you do not rush into choosing a tax accountant and that you instead take some time to question them and find out if they have the qualifications and experience that you need. However, whether you are employing a tax accountant in your business or outsourcing to a freelance tax professional, it is critical to choose the right accountant for your business. It would also be a good idea to check references, especially ones from companies similar to your own, to find out if the person is reliable and has produced error-free returns. Other questions to ask include finding out their fees and how they are calculated, such as hourly or a one-off price per tax return. For small and medium enterprises, the latter option can be more appealing because employing a permanent, dedicated tax accountant is more expensive and sometimes unnecessary for a small company. We offer taxation services like HST and other sales taxes, representation before authorities, mergers and acquisitions, corporate reorganizations, sale of businesses. Hence, make the time and effort to ask around or start your own research to find the best tax accountant that can handle your tax matters, and more importantly, one that you can work with. Please visit our site www.rcaccountants.com for more information on Mississauga Accountants.